You're really starting to piss me the fuck off. Just a heads up.
Let's sew some shit.
What's up, guys? It's John Coder Jings with JCJ GEAR. And today, we're not doing a new project, we're building a new space. Let's hop into it. So, here's what we got. We have a new machine. This lovely beauty we picked up. We got this for 150 bucks, table and all. He tried to include a chair. We don't need the chair. This is going to be the new Kickpad station because we've recently upgraded our phones. We needed an upgrade. We were looking at a brand new one. And when this one popped up and I was like, 150 bucks, we can give it a shot. But now we're gonna build it out for our space. And the space, of course, is right there. There. All right, let's do this. So we're going to need a few things, obviously. Let's get to it. Light. Oh, shit. Maybe one of those. Staples? More staples? Screws, a pin. I know what we need. Drill. Square. That should be enough to get us started. We're gonna get the standing pole installed back in.
Hey, what happened to that standing pole?
I don't think we should tell them that. You're really starting to piss me the fuck off. Just a heads up. And I think you should cut that. Pole. Pretty solid. Now we must figure this bad boy out. Huh. I'm actually a little stumped on that one. Yeah. Fucking holes are too big. All right. The bottom hole smaller. What's going on here? Not really. That one just went through too. Okay, let me think. Honestly, don't think there's much to think about. That's probably going to be this. Goes this way, screws that into that. Then we'll screw that into this. Basically. Yeah. Responsible adult in me says this is dumb. Quick and easy, gets the job done. There we go. A little bit of paint. Don't move, bitch. If it moves, it's fired. Straight up, is this gonna be perfect? Hell no. Short and kinked. It's a very important step. You may want to get a close up. Safety. Welcome. Here's the one thing. This machine does not have a bibe and rewind. And welcome back. This is a very important step. One thing this machine is missing that is critical is a bobbin winder. This thing doesn't get use. And I like to run my bobbin on this thing half the time, so that's what I'm gonna do. You're probably asking, how am I gonna mount this? It's mounted. That was it. God damn, son, that thing bright as hell. Elmo's World. Okay, one thing I do see, I'm gonna bring this forward and push it over because I want room in the backside to be able to run shit off of because it's not as deep as our normal tables. So we're gonna have to reposition this just a bit. We really gotta get the other sticker for this window because it's not looking great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're probably asking what's the machines, what's the specs, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't know all of them, but I'm gonna tell you what I do know. First of all, this is a Brother DB2 B737403. All right, that's the machine. But here's the secret to this machine, which they told us before we bought this, of course, all this. I guess originally this had like computerized parts. But one thing about this machine is it has oil stored underneath. You roll this back, and there's actually a reservoir. Try drinking out of the beer. For oil, where it's self-oiling, because it's obviously all metal industrial machine. It's meant to just straight stitch. I guess when they moved it one time, it got all the oil spilled all over the computer and basically burned out the computer. So this was a dead machine for a long time. What this man that I picked it up from did is he strapped a servo motor to this son of a bitch and just overrode the whole thing. So the motor just, this thing is nuts. But yeah, so this thing is a beast, and it is just for straight stitching. It takes a specialty thread. Like, it is a very, very heavy duty thing, and it's going to be a great thing for assembling jackets around here. But main thing, what this station is known as, is the Kickpad station. Our Kickpad fronts has like this heavy duty foam that's inside of it, and the Husqvarnas can sew through them, but it doesn't like it. It ends up breaking a lot of needles a lot of times. With this, it doesn't even notice it's there. Like, this is a beast. And that is another video done. If you enjoyed this type of content, please let us know. We are doing our best to produce videos on a weekly basis and give you guys content that interests you. Here is a new style of content and something that I thought maybe you'd find interesting on the business side. We have our new tool, we have our new baby, and we're taking name suggestions. Probably not, because I'm probably gonna name it myself, but if you have an idea, throw it out there. We haven't quite named it yet. I'm leaning towards Frank. See you guys in the next one.